Hello friends, welcome to Guru's Theory. Today we are going to learn about logic gates. Before going into the concept, we have a point to be noted. Since we are dealing with digital circuits, we are going to use only two inputs. Those are 1, which represents high input value, and 0, which represents low input value. Let's dive into the topic. There are three basic logic gates. Those are AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. First, let's see what AND gate is. This is the representation or the symbol of AND gate, where it has two inputs and one output. Boolean expression of AND gate is C equals A dot B. Where C is the output of the AND gate and A and B are input to the AND gate. Here is the truth table of AND gate. If you observe the truth table, if any one of the input is low, then the output will be ultimately low. Since it is like multiplying both the inputs, so if you multiply any input with 0, that is low input, then the output will be 0, which is low. Here is the schematic diagram of AND gate. As we can see, when both the inputs are low, the output, that is bulb, it is not glowing. Similarly, if we give any one of the input is low, then ultimately the bulb will not glow because the output of AND gate is low. Finally, the bulb glows only when both the inputs are high. Now let's see the OR gate. Here is the symbol of OR gate, where it has two input and one output. And the Boolean expression of OR gate is C equals A plus B. Where C represents the output and A and B are inputs to the gate. If you observe the OR gate truth table, when any one of the input is high, the output is high. It is like adding two inputs. If you add any input with a high input, ultimately the output will be high. Let's see the schematic diagram. So if you see, when both the inputs are low, the bulb will not glow. If any one of the input is high, the bulb will ultimately glow because the output of the OR gate will be high. Finally, we will see what NOT gate is. This is also called as inverter, and this is the symbol of NOT gate, where C equals A bar. And this is the truth table of NOT gate. As the name represents, it inverts the input. So this is the schematic diagram. If you give input as 0, the output will be high, then the bulb glows. And if you give input as 1, the output will be low and bulb doesn't glow. Finally, if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.